welcome back. There is a Kiswahili saying which goes, cha mwenzako kikinyolewa, chako kitie maji. So, this has landed. Things are boiling nicely in Western Kenya. The Member of Parliament for Sabaoti Caleb Amisi has gone rogue, or he has gone head collision with the Speaker or the Foreign Affairs Minister Musalia Mudavadi. Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi saying the opposition agencies have little chance of defeating President William Ruto in 2027. However, Sabaoti Member of Parliament Caleb Amisi has sharply differed with the former ANC party leader. The ODM lawmaker accused Mudavadi of failing the Luhya community despite being in politics for many years. A sentiment by Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi over the chances of President William Ruto winning the 2027 elections have continued to attract mixed reactions. Lately, being that of Member of Parliament for Sabaoti, that is Caleb Amisi. On Saturday, March 29th, Mudavadi claimed it would be difficult for the Gen Zs and the opposition to defeat Ruto in 2027. Mudavadi stated that he has been in politics for a long time and that according to his prediction, Ruto will easily be re-elected in 2027. So, Caleb Amisi has gone wrong. I have been in politics for a long time and I have looked at it, and I want to tell you it will be very difficult to beat William Ruto in 2027, Musalia Mudavadi said. However, Sabaoti Member of Parliament Caleb Amisi clamped back at Mudavadi over claims of being experienced in politics. Amisi wondered why Mudavadi had never won the presidency despite claiming to have experience winning elections. The outspoken ODM lawmaker rebuked Mudavadi, claiming he has for many years led down the Luhya community. Why have you not used that long experience to become president? You have condemned a whole community, to political oblivion. All Kanu boys are going home. Bure kabisa. Kenya needs some new energy. Caleb Amisi stated. Consumers Federation of Kenya Secretary General Stephen Mutoro also supported the statement of the Sabaoti lawmaker. Mutoro slammed the Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary, stating that the Mulembe community has nothing to celebrate over Mudavadi's many years in politics. There is nothing to celebrate in the countless years in politics. I should be the politics in the years that matter, especially when you were last involved in an elective contest in 2007. With dismissal result, you have made the Mulembe nation a laughing stock. In Mount Kenya, your boss prepares for weeks and goes with his notebook. In Western, he looks for any major funeral and flies away, just like he came after speaking a few words in local dialect. Who cast our permanent leaders? Mutoro posed. Why have you not used that long experience to become a president? Mr. Musalia Mudavadi. As reported earlier, the Youth Sabaoti Member of Parliament is among the group of leaders demanding leadership change in the Western region. Speaking in Kakamega County, Amisi backed the Tawe movement, which is spearheaded by Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya. According to the Sabaoti lawmaker, Mudavadi and National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula have overstayed in leadership. The ODM lawmaker affirmed the seriousness of effort to remove Mudavadi and Wetangula as Western Kenya regional leaders. Amisi lamented that the Mulembe people had nothing to celebrate nothing at all to celebrate after generations of the same leaders holding power. So, the Mulembe nation is sad. The Mulembe nation is on fire. They have said that Amisi has vowed, na amesema in broad daylight or in big capital letters, that all the Kanu boys are going home. I don't know where Musalia Mudavadi, or should we call them as you guys call them, Tom and Jerry, will put their faces come 2027, because the Luhya nation has ran away. Natembeya, the commando, has taken over the Mulembe nation leadership. So, Musalia Mudavadi, what are you planning to do? Or guys, what do you think about the Mulembe Nation politics? Leave a comment on the comment section, share our video, subscribe. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.